Imagine your old bathroom transformed into a stunning, like-new space without the mess or cost of a full renovation. At Amazing Tile and Tub Reglazing, we specialize in transforming your existing bathtubs and tiles to look 100% brand new, quickly and affordably. Your old tub can look brand new in under 4 hours, and your old tile can be fully transformed in less than a day. Our expert team uses only the best materials and industry-leading techniques to ensure a flawless finish that lasts. Plus, our reglazing process is mildew and fungus resistant, giving you a cleaner, healthier bathroom for years to come. And with over 20 years of experience, you can trust us to deliver amazing results every time. Why replace when you can reglaze? Save up to 80% compared to a full replacement and enjoy the beauty of a like-new bathroom in just a matter of hours. Our services help homeowners and businesses save thousands of dollars in renovation costs. We also use a system ventilation process, so you don't have to worry about odors during or after the work is done. Our process is fast, eco-friendly, and guaranteed. Every reglazing project comes with a 3-year warranty because quality is our priority. From homeowners to property managers, we've helped countless clients throughout Connecticut refresh their spaces and fall in love with their bathrooms again. Your dream bathroom is just one call away. Contact Amazing Tile and Tub Reglazing or visit our website for your free estimate. Let us transform your space beautifully, affordably, and hassle-free. Amazing Tile and Tub Reglazing. Let's make your dream bathroom a reality today.